Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to recover Facebook password without email and phone number. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can easily recover your Facebook password. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to just open your Facebook. Now once you open your Facebook, click on your profile. You can see the three lines over here. Just click on that and scroll to the last end. Now once you scroll to the last end, you can see your profile link. Just click on copy over here and you click on OK. Now once you have copied your profile link, just go to menu, scroll down and then click on log out. So now just click on log out, and now once you have logged out, you can see log into another account. So just click on that. Now you can see here it is demanding for your phone number or email. Just paste the link that you just copied. Paste the profile link you just copied over here. Now just move to this place and then you have to delete the facebook.com. so start from the facebook.com and then delete everything over here. Now once you have deleted the facebook.com, all you want to do is to just open your Google and then search for Google Security. Now once you search for Google Security, click on this one, which is security over here. And once you click on that, under security over here, just scroll to where you can see password manager. So just scroll and you can see password manager. Click on password manager. Now once you click on password manager over here, you can see over here your Facebook. Just click on Facebook, and once you click on Facebook, you can see, just enter your Gmail account password. Then you click on next. Now once you click on next over here, it's gonna take you to this place and you can see your Facebook password. Just click on copy. Now once you have copied your password, just come back and then enter the password over here to log into your account. Now with this, you can log into your account without any email. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video